Hello, welcome back to Tiny Nest. I'm Kiva.
And I'm Jake. First off, we want to remind you that the 2020 Tiny House Bundle is still on sale. And if you timed it right, there's only 24 hours left from the moment that we publish this video. We're not joking about this being a flash sale. It's 5 days only. It's been 4 days already. 1 day left. So check it out. There's a link in the description. There's a link in the info card. There'll be a link at the end screen. We're making it easy for you. Don't miss it.
We want to let you know that we updated our SketchUp project file. So on our website, there's a 3D model of our tiny house that we used to build and have continued to use as we build. And it hasn't been updated for 2 years, but we just updated it, so it includes all of the new stuff like the storage in the loft, our kitchen, and a bunch of other small details. So make sure you check it out if you're interested in 3D design.
You know what else you should check out if you're into 3D design? Our SketchUp tutorial, which is part of the 2020 Tiny House Bundle. We talked about it more in our last video. You can watch that. We'll put that up on the end screen.
Okay, we also finished our bedroom, which we said we would do.
Yes! So we've gotten the last couple of shelves around the bed. There, and over where my tablet sits. What else we got?
These are also storage for clothing, these shelves. This one in here. And then this is for the cat's storage.
The couple little details are the bamboo curtains need to go up. There's these vent holes we need to deal with, and the wiring for the lighting, which we're going to put on the ceiling over here somewhere.
We also have taken apart our ladder because we're going to narrow it, and it also needed to be sanded, stained, and polyurethane. A few of you have gotten in touch with us asking if we had plans available for our ladder, and we don't have anything like that yet, but we are going to try to put something together like that for you, so just follow along and keep an eye out for that.
You know what else you should keep an eye out for? The 2020 Tiny House Bundle! Which has got 20 tiny house products for only $49. What?
Okay, the last thing that we want to say is that we're planning to do a live stream tomorrow morning, tomorrow Saturday, and it will line up to the end of, it'll be a countdown that will line up to the end of the 2020 Tiny House. Oh my god, that is probably just so cringy.